It's April 17th near Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada, and of course we are having a snowstorm. So let's check and see if my plants survive the night. So as you can see, there are no tracks here, which means that I have not checked my plants at all. So you are finding this out with me. First up, the anemones. Completely fine. Now over to the ranunculus. Oh, there we go. Completely fine. So even though the temperature outside is currently -1, it's nice and cozy in here. Thankfully, it actually didn't freeze in here last night, even though it definitely froze in the outside world. So follow along to see how we fare during even colder temperatures coming up.